Alright, so I'll show you how to remove the armrest on a center console off a S500. This is a 2006 model. Alright, so you open it up and you will see Torx. We're using a T10 Torx. Alright, now we're going to remove these Torx. That one. Alright, so using a flathead, you have to split it on both sides. Okay, and when you split them, you have to get it over this little clip. And same thing on this side. See, this was in that hole. So using a small flathead, you're going to be able to pop it out of those. And now you got it off those hinges. Okay. Now you have to disconnect all the wiring in the back and feed it through. We will just disconnect the wiring out of the armrest. So we end up using T10 Torx and 2 small flyhead screwdrivers to do this. That's not counting removing the center console. We do have that video on our YouTube channel, so just go ahead and look for it. But you do not have to take off the center console to replace the armrest. So that's the armrest off, complete. That's the pins it's held on to these hinges. You will not need to remove the rear air vent to take off the armrest, just in case. We had everything off already. So.